Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'd like to show you how to make an extra $1,000 a month online. And with each of these offers, they do total $1,200. But the most important thing is they are all low ticket offers. So you haven't got to buy any high ticket offers to get into profit. And with these offers, you can get into profit fast, and then you can scale up to that $1,000 per month um, of commissions. And within these offers is also what's called a funded traffic proposal. So you're going to get profit every single month where you can buy more traffic, not from your own bank account, but from profits, and then you can scale up faster. And the key thing with all of these, I'll just start now with the first one. The key thing of all of these is that they are, you promote one link, you earn multiple income streams, you get into profit fast because some of these, this one in particular here, has got no monthly membership costs, and they've all got multiple income streams built into the funnels, and that's what I like about them. And they're also high in demand and high converting. So the first one is called One Page Funnel, and this one currently is going viral. You can join One Page Funnel for $7 one-time payment, and you'll see that I started promoting on March the 3rd, and today is March the 22nd. And so far for this month alone, $518 is what I've earned. And if you want, I'm going to put a link in the links in the description for all of these offers. But with One Page Funnel, it's probably the highest converting funnel I've promoted. And the reason for that is you'll see that 106 leads have been generated. And if I scroll down here, I'm not going to go too far because there's members' personal information in here. But from 106 leads, 91 sales have been made. So that's very high converting. I have done other videos on my channel. So if you go onto my channel here, and if you watch, go to the top here, you can watch these videos here. 86 sales, 69 sales, one page funnel. Any of these one page funnel review videos on my channel will give you a complete review and overview of how you can get started for just $7. And that's so that's $500 so far. There'll probably be, I'm going to do some more promotion with that, but you can see there, you can get into profit because you're just paying $7 and no monthly membership costs. The next offer, and the reason I do recommend is that you build a portfolio of offers, is because you don't want to rely on one income stream. Opportunities do come and go. That's the nature of affiliate marketing or any online business. So what I recommend you do is what I did, you start with one, and then you build that up, and you get you get that nice and solid and get a regular income coming in. And then what you do is you take your profits from that, and then you add another offer to your portfolio. So this is a prosperity marketing system. Live in my Gmail account here where I get my notifications. And if you're not familiar with the prosperity marketing system, it's been around since 2009. So it's been around quite some time now. And you get into profit fast because each of these is 100% monthly recurring commissions. And you'll see on some day here, two are coming in, two here, two here. So you only need one referral, and then your membership's one paid referral, and then your membership's paid for. So each of these is $12 per month. So just $3 a week, $12 per month. Again, it's a low ticket offer, and there's nothing high ticket. You can earn a high ticket commission even without buying it in the funnel. But it's a multiple income stream funnel. You can earn up to 17 income streams by promoting one link. So this is how you get into profit fast with these offers. This is how you earn multiple income streams. And I've done lots of other videos. So this particular one here, each of these is a $12 commission. And if I go onto my channel here and just show you this, then you can watch lots of videos on my channel. I've done playlists as well, but this video here, this month with Prosperity Marketing System, I'll probably make about $350. So that next video will be, I turned $12 into $4,500 with that program. So that's going to be another 350 onto this. So it'll be $12 into 4,850. So with the System.io, with the one page funnel, it's hosted on System.io, with one page funnel at $518 here so far. And then with Prosperity Marketing System, another $350 here. I'll go on to the next income stream, which is the Warrior Plus traffic offers. So last month was $349, and today is 22nd of March, and so far this month $266. So we're probably going to, because I've got a membership database, I'll come down here. I'm probably going to get this roughly about the same again this month. So the three income streams total, 350 is going to be here, 350 from Prosperity Marketing System, and 500 and over $500 with one page funnel. That's roughly $1,200 with these three offers. You'll see here that I've got 81 members within these traffic offers here. I've done lots of other videos on, in fact, what I've done, I've just, by the time you watch this video, I will have just uploaded tonight a video on a strategy that I use and you can use to build up this portfolio of traffic. And the great thing about it is, if we go into transactions here, the great thing about it is you can start to build a portfolio of buyers traffic and start to get more and more buyers every single month in front of your primary business or your offers. If I go into all time here, just show you the bit of history with this with these traffic offers. So these are high in demand and high converting because every time a new opportunity comes online, people need traffic, and this is automated buyer traffic. So it's the best traffic you can get online. And you'll see so far I've sold over $6,000 of these products, and the commission there is nearly $3,000. So roughly about $2,500 of that has been profit. So what you're doing is you're taking it as taking your profits as a funded traffic proposal to buy more traffic. So that's the key thing, is to get into profit. I teach you how to get into profit fast, and then you can, if you want to, I'll teach you how to do this. If you want to contact me, my email address will be in the description. So the key thing is don't just rely on one offer. Choose one of these offers, scale it up, get into profit, and then diversify by joining another one, and then promote another one. And then if one goes down, one goes under, you've still got all your other income streams coming in as well. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that'll help the growth of my YouTube channel. And please share it if you think anybody's going to get value from it as well. And if you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on the channel. So this system that I'm showing you here is really in spare time, pockets of time. I've got a full-time job, partner, family, friends, hobbies. I'm not a full-time affiliate marketer. I've just built this up over time, and that's what I recommend that you do. If you're just consistent and you learn a few new skills, then all the offers and the training, everything's there for you to succeed as well. So I'll put links in the description to um, each of these offers, and then if you want to take a look and if you want to partner with me, then I'll help you. I'll mentor you one-to-one if you'd like my help. Prosperity Marketing System itself has got a 7-figure earner training in there anyway. So that's the great thing about Prosperity Marketing System. You can use that training like I've done just to promote any of these offers. So that's the beauty of that system as well. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. If you've got any questions, please leave those in the comments and I'll answer all your questions for you. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.